Since everyone asking, here's a sound test on the viral $20 gaming keyboard. Not only does this thing sound good, come with backup keys and all these different colors, but it also has this little scroll wheel right here which turns up and down the volume. And for all my people asking, this thing has 0 input delay. Watch as it'll pause right as I click the spacebar. Keyboards with this kind of quality would easily sell for over $50 and $100, but you guys can get this thing for only $20 because there's an end of a year sale going on. Go click that orange link. These things are selling out so fast. Enjoy.